Well, this is a bit of fun. We've got a Ecosa bed to build today, and let's build it together and see what it's all about. I've seen so much of this stuff online. They're doing awesome things for sustainability, and I just can't wait to see, one, the quality, two, how easy they are to DIY. I haven't done a flat pack in a long time. So we have the Siera bed frame, and I chose it in Oyster, and Oyster is very much on brand for our house, beige. So Georgia, my wife, she said to me, let's go crazy with the bedding, but I'm not sure if we will. Everyone I've talked to have said that they really enjoy the sleep on a Ecosa mattress, and we'll be testing that because we have a newborn and sleep has never been as essential for us as now. So yeah, oh my God, that's beautiful. Wow, it's like a perfect color match for the carpet. You probably can't see. Here it is. So let's bring it up close. We'll do a swatch. So that's the color there. Stunning. That's, oh my gosh, that's really nice. It's like Christmas. It's pretty, oh, I'm so stoked. Very cool. What else? Is there anything in there? No. Now we're getting close to Christmas, and I've been asked to keep all these lovely boxes for my mother-in-law because she's making a Christmas chimney, I think. Okay, so we've got the Breeze bed base. What do we got? So step one, I think whatever's in those I need to connect together. Cool, and then two, they must be in there. Three, we've got those. Okay, cool. So I was watching a YouTube video the other day with someone from Ecosa, and they were talking about their initiative in Oz that they have for recycling mattresses, and sheets as well, which I think is really cool because when you think about it, mattresses are huge, and you often see them, especially wherever students are, just on the side of the road, and there's kind of like the expectation of what are you going to do with them? Okay, those are the slats. And Ecosa have an answer for it, and it's nice to see like compostable tape, all that sort of thing. So yeah, you know, it's not do one thing, it's do many things with them, which is quite cool. Right, the system's really easy. You can see here, it just like clicks them together like that. Done. Okay. Here are the feet and the washers. So they come on them as well. And then underneath there, there's just a little hole that you screw them into. Cool, and you can tension them up nice and tight as well. So there's one for each edge, and then we've got something to install in the middle as well. So this goes in the center. It's a solid steel adjustable leg, and that goes in this hole here. So you know if that's facing up, you don't want that in your back. So we'll just screw this in, and then you can adjust it. The adjustable feature is quite cool actually. It's nice that they come with this material on them as well, so you actually know like how far apart that they should be. You may be able to hear our little one. She's sharing this room with us at the moment. So if you see any instructions about a holding button, there's little screws here with rubber around them. And basically what they do is they hold the slat in, so you have to install it on the outside of the button, so there's no room there. So I've done that. Now I'm going to install the headboard. Right, so this is the box the headboard comes in. I really like this look. We have an old home. It's like over 80 years old, and anything too modern in it just looks a bit weird. So that's why we chose the Siera, because it's got like 2 big European pillows. I think it's gonna look really nice. It's also intuitive. Like, this is so simple just for one person to install. So easy. This is actually super light too, so easy to lift by yourself. As simple as that. It's so easy. Okay, so this is what we really liked about the Siera. So it's got these 2 giant cushions and the case there. And because it's a headboard, the worst thing with headboards is that they get so grubby, because of course your hair and stuff's rubbing against it. So all the oils and whatever's in your hair, Dax wax, gets on it. Whereas with this, you can actually, and it's structured too so it doesn't lump down, that's cool. Then you just slip it in the back here and then zip it on the top. Whee! Flash! That's so nice! Ecosa Pure Mattress. Premium comfort, precision support. So it has 7 zones of pocket springs and it absorbs motion basically. So it's a bit of a hybrid. Removable ocean cycled cover made from 80 plastic bottles. Bounce Tech combining cooling gel fusion memory foam, microcoil technology, 2000 microcoils individually contour, pressure points to provide pressure relief and pressure relief. That's all I need to see here. Vlog. My gosh. Here it comes! My gosh! Jeepers! It's alive! My gosh! It's just growing! This is mad! It smells really nice. You know, stuff that's usually been like rolled up and stuff, you expect that sort of chemically smell. This does not have it at all. I know if Georgia was helping me, she would love that, because that would have put her off instantly. So it's still, I think it takes like a day to like fully reset itself and come to life. I'm really excited for this. And it's a king. It's our first time having a king. So the flippable, there's a little flippable like topper in here that you can have. But I think I want the memory foam top. So you can literally unzip it, flip it, and then you're good to go. I almost forgot, we've actually got 2 of the famous Ecosa pillows. And I've heard amazing things about these. I have huge issues with my neck. I am a terrible sleeper. I think it's part of having spicy brain, but I wish they were rolled up, to be honest. Oh look, and they come with 2 little packs here too. This is handy. Travel well, slept. I'll use those over Christmas. But I've heard amazing things about the Ecosa ones. Surely they've got a little... Oh God, I'm so glad I didn't cut those. To open the vacuum sealed bag. They come in vacuum sealed bags. Look at that. So you can go like this and then open it at the top. And here come your cushions. Ridiculous, I love it. Look at that. Wow. Let's hear all about it. What do we got? So, they've got, these are brilliant. And I love the customer experience here. This is cool. So, congratulations on your new pillow. Add or remove height pads to find your perfect neck alignment. Yes. I love that this is like just like the mattress. It's so cool. So you can do pillow with no pads, pillow with 1 adjustable pad, or pillow with 2 adjustable pads. This is cool. So it's like 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and you just put it into the base here because I don't like to sleep too high. So I think I might just run with it tonight with none, and then I'll just trial it throughout the week with alternatives. And then also save space and compress your pillow when you travel. So yeah, it comes in the travel packs. How cool is that? Removable cover, breathable 3D structure, memory foam, adjustable height pads. 100-night trial. Fall in love with Ecosa or your money back. So good. Love that. Love a brand that thinks about like this, you know, because I think in the past this is where I went wrong with pillows, is that I expected one like this to fit me and I paid stupid money for it and it didn't work. So because I think that one was actually too low for me. So I wonder what they'll be like. This is so cool, I love this. So let's just roll these back up and we shall put those back into the travel bags and we'll put those in the linen cupboard. So good. Honestly, so impressed with this bed, especially like with the frame. I think that it's much better than I thought it was going to be, and it's like really comfy. We obviously haven't slept in it yet, but they do say give it around like 20 days, see what you think. But I'm so stoked with this. I think it's the perfect thing for our room. Out of a box, who would know? Yeah, obviously very happy. Have a look in the description if you want to see any of the links below. But yeah, a big shout outs to Ecosa for sponsoring this video.